Hi, this is Kevin from Wordbot. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over an article that we've had for quite a while on our main website. And we want to just look to improve the rankings on it. And we're going to go through how we can kind of use how we can use the SEO Insights tool from Wordbot to just to get a better understanding of what our competitors are doing better and where we can improve on our existing article. So the article that I'm looking at here is this AI article spinner, and this is my focus keyword that I'm trying to rank for. And just looking here, I ran an analysis, and looks like we're only at 641 words, and we got a score of 42. Now, when I go into my search console, I can see that we in the past 3 months we're at an average position of about 15 in the Google search results, which isn't bad, but we want to get that up. But this isn't an article that we really have put a lot of, as I can say, time into. Like if I open up another tab, actually, I don't know if I'll be okay. So yeah, let me go to where the current article is. I'm gonna have to log out for a second, and this is our current. Well, not that one. So this is the actual current article that's ranking. Now, we're going to be redoing this article and putting it on our actual blog, which is the blog.wordbot.io, where a majority of our articles sit. But just looking at this content, it's a lot of how our tool used to look in our early stages. And some of these pictures are going to need to be updated. A lot of the article spinner or AI article spinner keywords may are going to maybe need to be adjusted, but I'm not going to go ahead and just try and stuff keywords. What I'm going to do is go in through our SEO Insights project, and I'm probably going to have to re-sign in here. And let's get that out of here. So while that loads here, the SEO Insights tool will give you an analysis of the top 10 competitors in Google for a particular keyword that you're trying to rank for. So this AI article spinner keyword is one that I found in the search console. And when I ran the analysis here for the competitors, that's what brought my score to this. Now we'll be putting in a pop-up that will show you what actually ranks or gives you this score, but you want to try to get this as close to 100 as possible. So when I look at the competitor analysis here, I show the top 7 results that it pulled. Sometimes you'll see this do 10. If it does do less than 10, that's fine. You can still rerun it again, or just kind of keep it how it is and just go off of the results that are provided to you. So I can see here that I'm already at only 641 words. So we got like a light shaded green here. And compared to the other results in the top 7, they're already beating us in this category. So we got some red here. We only got 2 H2 tags, and we can see that the top result has 15. So that right there is going to already put us a leg behind in the SEO category, because in order to try and not necessarily just rank better than the top one, you're going to need to match some of the benefits or that they're providing to people who are coming to their page in getting the information that they need. So I'm going to have to do some improvements there. Looks like they got more H3 tags, some H5s, things like that, some all image information there. So I can even, kind of filter on some of these. So I can see compared to these top 7 results, according to H2 tags, we are in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th position. Now, that doesn't mean that our article's in that position. It's just comparative to the other articles. And as far as words, we're at the bottom. So I can't expect to rank better than any of these just having just only 641 words. And length sometimes may not be the all be all, because sometimes the intent, and if the article is giving users the information that they want and they're spending time on your page, that can help it rank as well. Now, I'm going to go over to the keyword analysis and look and see. Okay, so for article, we have it 147 times, the first position at 102. We can also see going down to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, it starts to decrease. And if we look for AI article spinner, we only have this one time that it's showing in our article. So if we actually look here, if I go to this page and I do a control F and put that in, it's showing, let's see where all these are. So that there, okay, so that page, so it is only once in the page. So even though it shows 3 times, those are just in the footer, so it's not going to grab those. So we only have this one single time in the entire page, and we're actually ranking pretty good for it. So I'm going to, and then we can see that none of these other, well, some of them have it, but they're not really probably trying to rank specifically for this. Maybe for article spinner, we can find that. Okay, so yeah, we see article spinner. We have it 12 times. Position 1 has it 13 times. So we have a way to actually see, like, okay, like these articles are utilizing these particular words a set amount of times. So we need to try and not necessarily only stuff those keywords in our article. We need to figure out a way to get it in there in a more fashionable manner to where it still is readable by the end user and gives them the information they want. So with that, you can definitely come back here and go to some of these pages and see what they're doing as far as for that particular word. So, let's say AI article spinner, it shows, 5 matches. Let's see. Our AI article spinner is also called a word changer. So, I'm going to do some analysis of these particular articles. I'm going to make this existing article better, update some of the images, and then we're going to come back in some time. I'm going to run do another reanalysis, because right now we already have a score of 42. So I want to try to get this up into like the 80s, 90s, as close to 100 as possible, without compromising the integrity of the article. And then seeing how that actually brings up not only our impressions, but our clicks, and then our positioning for the particular query AI article spinner. So again, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about our tool, the SEO insights, and the Wordbot tool itself for creating content, drop me a comment down below. I'll do a follow-up video on this particular article once I get everything up to date, scored again, and then we give it some time for Google to try to do a reanalysis of it and see if we can get up on the first page of Google. Definitely come on over to wordbot.io and sign up. We do have a plan that allows you to test it at a very low cost, which I can show you here. You come in and on our page, you get $199. You get 5 competitor analysis searches for $4.99, 10 competitor analysis searches, and that's only if you run the competitor analysis. But you can rerun your article in as many times as you want at no additional charge. Okay, and again, like I said, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions on anything I might have went over today. Again, like and subscribe to our channel for more great SEO information. Again, thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you next time.